Professor, look! The legend says it's here!
An ancient diamond, deep within an active volcano. This old map details the path to Mount Cinder.
And the location of the legendary lava diamond.
The cave entrance should be near the peak.
We'll need to be extra careful, Professor.
Our gear must be prepared for anything.
Flashlights fully charged, Professor.
The lava diamond awaits, Lexi!
Let's go, Professor!
Our adventure begins now!
To Mount Cinder!
Soon, the city will be behind us.
Onward to the wilderness! There it is, Professor! Mount Cinder!
Looks even bigger up close, doesn't it? The compass points true, Lexi.
Just follow the path, Professor. Terrain's getting a bit rougher.
A true adventurer's path.
It's enormous and active.
Our diamond is waiting somewhere inside.
The map indicates a path along this ridge.
Or maybe that dark crack leads to something?
Every step must be firm.
No shortcuts on this mountain. Whoa! That was unstable!
Careful, Lexi. Loose rocks are common here. Stay close to the wall.
My feet are getting tingly! Incoming!
Mind your head, Lexi.
Look how far we've come!
And we're just getting started. The cave entrance should be somewhere up there.
Almost time to head inside. This rock looks solid, Professor.
Excellent work, Lexi. Always test your footing. The map was right! There is!
Ah! The cave entrance!
Hold your breath, Lexi. We're going in.
My heart is pounding, Professor.
Time for some illumination.
It's so much darker in here.
Much better!
My own personal sunbeam.
Every turn could hide a surprise.
I hope it's not a giant Lego spider. Wow! Look at all that lava!
We must be right in the heart of the volcano. This ledge is our only way forward.
It looks very, very narrow.
One careful step at a time.
Don't look down! Don't look down!
Steady, Lexi! Gotcha!
Thanks, Professor. That was close.
We made it across.
Whew. My legs feel like jelly.
The map says we should turn left here.
Looks like a path less traveled.
This path seems unstable.
Looks like a rock fall waiting to happen.
We need to clear this path carefully.
Or go around it somehow.
A little rock work might be needed.
Let me grab a larger pickaxe, Professor.
Slow and steady wins the race, Lexi.
Just like Lego building, Professor.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Nothing can stop us now. Wow, it's beautiful.
A hidden gem within the volcano.
They're so cool.
Nature's own light show.
This fissure. It's marked on the map.
Is it a clue? It's a diamond symbol.
The lava diamond is close.
Incredible! A secret passage!
This must be it. It's getting really hot now.
We're very close, Lexi.
This is intense heat, Professor.
The heart of the mountain is alive!
The lava diamond.
It's magnificent.
It's even bigger than the legend said.
This is it, Lexi. The final stage.
How do we get across that lava pool? Hope my aim is true. You can do it, Lexi.
Here goes nothing.
Good arm, Lexi. It's secure.
Excellent, Lexi.
Careful now, don't rush.
Almost there.
Made it. Your turn, Professor. Well done, Lexi. A bit slower for me, perhaps.
Just keep moving, Professor.
We made it, Lexi. It's truly here.
The legendary lava diamond. Almost.
Almost there.
Be careful, Professor.
Success! The lava diamond is ours!
We did it, Professor! Uh-oh, the volcano's waking up!
We angered the mountain spirit!
We need to go now!
Pulling back the rope! The path is gone!
No turning back now!
Even the crystals are reacting!
We need to find the exit fast!
This way, Lexi! Hurry!
Got it, Professor!
Keep moving! Don't stop!
Almost out! Oh no! It's blocked!
There must be another way. Fresh air.
There must be an opening. But it's so tiny.
We'll make it big enough!
Let's clear the path, Professor!
Harder, Lexi. We're almost through.
My arms are getting tired. We did it! We're getting out!
Just in the nick of time.
Sweet, fresh air!
We're out! We're really out! She's really angry now! Run!
Let's get off this mountain!
Watch your step, Professor!
You too, Lexi!
We made it to solid ground!
And with the diamond, too. A well-deserved rest, Lexi.
And the perfect way to admire our treasure.
Our adventure is now history!
And the diamond shines for all of Lego City.
What mystery awaits us next, Lexi?
I'm always ready, Professor.